Hello everyone! I hope you're all having an amazing day, because I have something truly special to share with you. Dan here, and I have huge news for Minecraft fans. News that's about to change the way we play the game forever. Mojang just announced the Copper Age update, launching tomorrow, September 30th, 2025. That's right, the next big era in Minecraft is just hours away, and I can barely contain my excitement. This update puts Copper in the spotlight, adding a whole new layer of depth to the game. We're getting new mobs, unique items, and tons of building options that will let your creativity run wild. For the first time ever, Copper becomes a real progression tier, perfect for early game upgrades before you find Iron. That means you'll have more choices and strategies right from the start, making every new world feel fresh and exciting. Imagine the possibilities. New builds with gleaming copper blocks, clever contraptions powered by copper mechanics, and creative ways to organize and decorate your base. The Copper Age is all about unleashing your imagination. We'll get to explore adorable new mobs, practical tools, and shiny new blocks together. Whether you love adventuring, building, or just collecting cool stuff, there's something for everyone in this update. So get your pickaxes ready. Tomorrow, Minecraft changes in a big way. It's the perfect time to jump back in, start a new world, or team up with friends to see everything the Copper Age has to offer. I'm already buzzing with ideas for my next Let's Play. I can't wait to experiment with all the new features, share my discoveries, and see what you all create in your own worlds. The Copper Age is almost here. Let's dive in together and make Minecraft history. Meet the Copper Golem, your new best friend for base organization. Build one with copper blocks and a carved pumpkin, and it'll sort your chests automatically. These golems interact with iron golems, can be used in redstone contraptions, and add tons of personality to your world. But beware, they oxidize over time, eventually freezing as statues unless you wax them. Will you keep your golem active or decorate with its statue form? The choice is yours. I can't wait to see what creative uses the community finds for these little helpers. Copper blocks and items in Minecraft now have a unique property. They oxidize over time, just like real copper in the world around us. As you place copper blocks, you'll notice them slowly changing, developing a patina that tells a story of age and exposure. Their color shifts from a bright, shiny orange to a deep, weathered green, making them perfect for adding character and history to your builds. This natural transformation is ideal for anyone who loves creating structures that look aged or ancient. But what if you want to preserve that fresh copper shine? That's where Honeycomb comes in. By using Honeycomb, you can wax any copper item, locking it at your favorite stage of oxidation. Whether you love the brand new look or prefer a slightly weathered style, waxing gives you the power to choose. Waxing isn't just for blocks, it's essential for your copper golems too. If you want your golems to keep moving and stay in top shape, make sure to give them a fresh coat of wax. This simple step keeps them from freezing up and lets them stay active in your world. Builders can get creative by waxing blocks at different stages, crafting stunning gradients and intricate patterns. The ability to control oxidation means you can design with a whole new palette of copper colors, from vivid orange to deep teal. And if you ever change your mind, you're not stuck. Use an axe to scrape off wax or even remove oxidation, letting you reset your copper blocks and experiment with new looks whenever you want. This mechanic gives you total creative control over your copper creations, allowing you to customize every detail and make your builds truly unique. The Copper Age in Minecraft isn't just about adding new items, it's about unlocking new ways to build, decorate, and express your creativity with one of the most dynamic materials in the game. The arrival of the Copper Age in Minecraft introduces a whole new set of possibilities for players. Now, you can craft copper tools, weapons, and armor, creating an exciting new tier that fits perfectly between the familiar stone and iron gear. This addition not only fills a gap in progression, but also gives you more choices as you explore, mine, and battle your way through the world. Copper gear is noticeably faster and tougher than stone, making it a great upgrade early on. While it doesn't quite match the strength and durability of iron, it's a reliable step up that helps you survive longer and mine more efficiently. Whether you're digging tunnels or fending off mobs, copper tools and weapons give you an edge. One unique feature is that, unlike copper blocks and decorations, your copper tools and armor won't oxidize or turn green over time. They'll always look shiny and new, so you can show off your gear without worrying about it changing color. The copper armor set stands out with its brilliant metallic look, making your character shine in the sunlight. It offers solid protection for the early game, helping you take on tougher challenges and explore new areas with confidence. But that's not all. There's also a brand new copper chest. This special storage option is unlocked when you create your first copper golem. The copper chest can auto-sort your items, making organization easier than ever, and it slowly oxidizes over time, adding a unique visual flair to your storage rooms. Imagine walking into a storage room filled with copper chests, each one at a different stage of oxidation, from shiny orange to deep green. It's not just practical, it's also a beautiful way to show off your progress and creativity. With these new copper features, the update makes your progression through the game smoother and more rewarding. Plus, your world becomes even more vibrant and visually stunning, thanks to all the new copper builds and gear. So get ready to craft, gear up, and organize your world like never before. The Copper Age is here, and it's time to make your mark. Is your base cluttered? The new shelves are here to help. Display up to 3 items per shelf. Show off your treasures, trophies, or favorite foods. Shelves are perfect for libraries, kitchens, or trophy rooms, making your base feel personal. They're easy to craft and add instant style. Power a shelf with redstone and it pops all items into your inventory. Great for quick access stations. Between copper golems and shelves, organizing your world has never been easier. Builders, redstone engineers, and survivalists all have something to love. The Copper Age is here. Let's make Minecraft more creative than ever.